it is Gabrielle Ishell here, and today I will be sharing what I have in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. If you are a loyal subscriber, I know you checked out the very first video where I did an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag that I got last year in Italy. I finally wore it. It's heavy. You hear that? If you're interested in seeing what I keep in my bag, keep on watching. So I like to keep my phone, my sunglasses, and my mask at the top. I purchased an organizer that I can fit inside of my bag that helps me organize the bag without having things just thrown in the bag. So I think that's pretty cool. And since I showed you the first three items, I will go ahead and put these to the side. Sunglasses, it's summertime. Masks, we have to wear a mask wherever we go now thanks to coronavirus. My phone is handy on me all the time, and now I can actually leave it in my bag while I'm filming because I have a new camera. If you guys have not seen that video, I will leave it up in the cards above and also in the description box below. So I will go through the side pocket first. And it's actually really deeper than I thought. I have my rewards from TJ Maxx in here, and this can basically fit only a little bit of sticking up, so that's pretty cool. I didn't realize it was that deep. And then I also have some receipts, a gift card for $25, and my work badge to get into my office, another receipt. And then obviously we all have to carry our phone chargers on us because we're on our phones all the time, and those suckers die like nobody's business. And speaking of charger, I have my, what is this called? A wireless charger. And then I have my other phone. I do have a work phone. And then I have some earphones. These are for the old Apple products because they go into my laptop. And then I also have my AirPods, and I have this cute little case, Lilo and Stitch. It's so cute. So my AirPods are in here charging. And then I have the wall box if I want to charge my phone. Then I have my hand sanitizer. You need hand sanitizer everywhere you go. And I was big on hand sanitizer before coronavirus. Now it's becoming a trend, but the girl was hip before. I also have my garage door opener and a pair of scissors. I got my keys for my mailbox and my house and my car. I have a, what is this called? Chapstick. I'm gonna actually put some on now because my lips feel chapped. And it's a Burt's Bees flavor crystal lip balm, red raspberry. It's really, really good. It smells good. That was my first, I don't know where I got that from, but I usually don't buy Burt's Bees. I buy the chapstick one or the Blistics one. I also have some on-the-go trail mix. I also have, if I could find it, some blessed oil, prayer oil, however you want to say that, for all my Christians out there. And then I have some pills, some popping pills. This is the generic brand of ibuprofen, so just ibuprofen, because I used to get a lot of headaches and migraines. Lately I haven't because I've been drinking my water, but I still keep these on me just in case. I have a pen and also my vitamins that I put in here daily. And then I have lotions. These are from Bath and Body Works. I have the Black Cherry Merlot. Oh my God, this is the best scent ever. I love the candle. I have two of those candles. One is actually right over there, but I love this smell. I have a candle, I have the wall plugins, and now I have the lotion. And then I have my Fenty Beauty and my MAC lip glosses. I love these. That is the first side of my little organizer, and then on the other side I have two little books. One is an organizer, like a monthly calendar type thing, and I keep my notes in here. It has the month, and then it also has daily. And then I also have this, you guys have seen in previous videos. It is my little journal where I keep track of all of my YouTube stuff. So I have my video ideas, and then I also keep track of my hair stuff. Hair treatment log, I have a little tab for that. And I write down each wash day, the date, and what I do to my hair, what products I use, so that I can keep track of how my hair turns out, if I liked it better than I did on one day, or if I do something and it turns out horrible, I have a note of that in my log. And so yeah, so this is my journal. I keep this on me. If I think of a random idea for my YouTube videos, I go ahead and jot that in here. And then I also have sort of like a script. I have like bullet points of what I want to say in my videos. Yeah, so that is that. And then I have a wallet here. It has what wallets usually have in them. I have money, ballin', and then I have my credit cards, my IDs, and then I have some coins in here. You guys know we have a coin shortage going on, but I keep my coins. Do you guys keep your coins or throw them away? Because I know people who throw coins right in the trash, but they're money. It's money. Like, why would you throw that away? I don't know. I'm an accountant, so I'm all about money. Money is money. It's all the same. I don't care if it's a penny, quarter, nickel, dime. I'm keeping it. And then I have here my little clutch. It is still connected to the bag, so I can't really do much with that. But inside of this, I have feminine products. Sometimes you never know, it'll sneak up on you, so I keep those handy. And then I also have like little wipes, Summer Eve's wipes. And then I have me some emergency. I drink these whenever I go in contact with people, so most days I'm not going outside and wearing this bag anyways, but like if I go to work or if I go to the grocery store, I will make sure that I mix this in some water before I go. And then I also have floss. So it's the Reach. It's been in my bag for a while. When I switch bags, I just transfer my belongings from one to the other. So this has been in my bag for a while. I used to have braces, and you know, when you have braces, things can get caught in your teeth. So I don't know, I still do it. I got my braces off about four years ago, I think. So I still just keep my floss in there just in case, because you never know. And then some people don't tell you that you have stuff in your teeth. So I have my own mirror, which I have my own phone. I have my phone, which also is good for that. But I like looking in the mirror to make sure I don't have anything in my teeth. And then, cause some people really won't tell you. They'll let you smile and talk to them and legit won't say a word. So I don't have to worry about that because I always got my mirror handy. Okay, so next I have some Band-Aids, and these are, I'm not really brand loyal on Band-Aids. I usually get the Band-Aid brand ones, but I actually had coupons for these, so these are basically free. Then I also have a scrunchie, and you know, natural hair girls, you know, we got to get the thick ones. I can no longer wear the little skinny scrunchies because they will pop. They don't work with my hair anymore. I also have a nail file and a nail clipper. I only have a few more things in here. I have spare earrings just in case I forget them at home. I don't want to go around looking like a boy. So I have spare earrings, and then I have some safety pins and and bobby pins. So these are the last few things I have in here. And it's funny, I have a fun fact. I got my ears pierced for the very first time 2 years ago, and it was like August 18th, I think. So today is the 16th. So in 2 days, it will be 2 years since I had my ears pierced. I'll leave a picture right here of when I first got them pierced. And it's funny because when I didn't have my ears pierced, people would say to me, "Oh my God, you're so pretty and you don't even have your ears pierced." I would take that as a compliment. I mean, they're telling me I'm pretty, but they're saying like I don't need jewelry to make me pretty. And so that felt really good. And I only have one piercing. So I don't know. I don't really see the need of having more, but I do sort of like the ones that are up here. So maybe one day, but I'm not like really pressed to do that. So just fun fact. Okay, I think that is it. Oh, now since we took everything out of my bag, I can show you this organizer a little close up. So, oh, I didn't even realize. Okay, so it is like a velvet material. And this is what I was talking about. I didn't realize that it had pockets on the outside. So I was using the pockets on the inside. It has, what, 3 pockets on this side, and then 1, 2 pockets on this side, and then it has 2 sides. So this side and this side, it has a zipper to protect it, because that's one thing I saw, that when people buy this Neverfull bag, it's obviously very deep and there's no zipper. I love having zippers on my bag, so I definitely wanted to choose an organizer that had a zipper so it can protect the contents that are in my bag, and someone can't just dig in my bag and take something. They have to do work, which by then I should be able to notice. So no pickpocketers allowed. And then so with this, it is Velcro, and I can take it off if I wanted to, which I do not. But I just wanted to show you that feature. So this is how the bag looks. I put my wallet, and then I put this little wristlet on this side as well. And so this is good because it helps keep your bag organized, and it also protects. So like if where's my oil? If this were to spill or something, it would be inside of here, and it would mess up this bag basically, and not my Louis Vuitton bag, which is perfect because I know I'm clumsy sometimes. Sometimes I don't close things all the way. So having that barrier between my bag and the item, whatever. Oh, pins are a good example. You know, sometimes you have your pin marks in your bag. Goes right in here. No issues. My bag will remain red and cherry. So I'll put everything back in here, and I'll show you how the organizer looks. And you see how nicely everything fits? Very snug. And then I'll just put this inside of my bag. And it fits very snug. In the first video, I talked about how leaving my bag in the box made the bag folded, or my bag was folded in the box. People were telling me that I should at least take the bag, if I'm not going to use it right now, take the bag out of the box and stuff it with like paper so that it can stand up straight. But at least with this organizer in here, it can stand up straight and it won't have those creases in there. So that's really good. If you are interested in getting the organizer that I have, I will leave a link down below. If you enjoyed seeing what is in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out so much. And I am really appreciative of everyone who has been liking, commenting, subscribing, and clicking the bell on all of my videos prior to this one. I really appreciate it, and I can't thank you guys enough. I am at 3,000 subscribers, and I've only been on YouTube since October 26th of last year. So that's about 10 months. It's almost a year. Almost a year. But yes, I have 3,000 subscribers, and I really was not expecting it to be this fast, but I appreciate it so much, and I can't say it enough. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for checking out my videos, leaving me comments and all that. I know I just said it, but I gotta say it again. I'm so appreciative. So you guys already know what I'm about to say. Along with the thumbs up, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.